So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find user ID in Dragon City. So the first thing you want to do is actually open up your Dragon City app. After that, it's going to be quite easy to find your user ID. So the first step is to take a look over to your top right corner. There you will see the gear icon. So let's just click on that. So from here, you can see account, game, community, events. You can sign in with Apple. You can connect with Facebook. You can change your player. You can see also the legal terms. You can delete your account. Now from here, you can see your user ID. So if you click on that, and you can see your user ID. So it's quite a long number. So I can't even count, but it's really a lot of digits right there. And you just need to click on that. You can copy it. So if you click on that button, once it gets zoomed out, that means it's already copied to your clipboard. So if you want to send it to someone, you can just use it through there and paste it onto either a text message or email or some social network that you're using. So there's quite a lot of different ways that you can actually go about finding out your user ID, but the main thing is to get it through here. It's going to be copied to your clipboard, and after that you can use it at your discretion or send it to someone so they can find you on Dragon City. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Dragon City or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.